This strategy that I'm talking about is info session. In today's video, I want to share with you how important attending info sessions or webinars could go a long way for you to get insider scoop of your prospective school that you are intending to apply to here in the US. It's been one of my techniques like ever like and I don't joke with it whenever I go to the school website and I see them. So information webinar or info session are virtual meetings hosted by admission committee or the school's recruitment team to attract a pool of prospective candidates or applicants for their graduate school program for that academic year. And mostly, of course, as early as possible. It starts, I guess, September, the whole time in November to December, depending on the deadline of the school, which priority deadline is January 15th. Someone will ask, why should I attend this webinar? Is it really necessary? Should I? Yes, it is. So it could be a general info section or a specific program info section. A general info section where they are like, graduate info section for graduate school programs at the University of Texas or Western Michigan University. And it could be a specific info section where they will be like MS Finance application tips webinar or MS Finance application webinar. Or it could be MBA info session, or it could be, depending on the program. So when you go on the school page, at the events section, just click, you see all the application events or info section that are lined up throughout the month or the months even to come. Pick on one that are specific to your program. And this is why I am encouraging you to attend. One, if it is a specific info session, you are likely to meet the entire admission committee on that meeting, and these people have been receiving a number of applications, and they know what to expect from you, and they are there to spell it out, help you or tell you what you are expected to do and what they want from you. You are likely to meet faculty members or prospective faculty members, and that could be a starting point for you if your program is a research based and you want to find a good research fit. That could be the first point for you. At least you know them by name. You can go there and search, and then you head to others if they are not in your line of interest. The second thing is you are able to get a brief overview of the school you are going to attend, what they are for, the program concentration, admission requirements, the essays involved, the curriculum, the career opportunities that are available for you after completion of this program, some things that the school or the college have achieved and they are sharing with you just to get you interested to reading that program. The third thing is, these info sessions are so great that it helps you get all your questions being answered right there during the virtual meeting. You're able to ask any question so far as the presentation is over. And there you get your answer because the panel is there. And even if they can't give you the answer right on the spot, they share links or email to people that they know can help you get these answers. The next thing or the fourth important thing I would say is that it helps you know what to do. For instance, there are schools that have SOP prompt that they expect certain things to be in your SOP. So they've given like prompt that should be in your SOP. Unlike other schools where they will leave you like general personal statement or SOP. Some schools will list that maybe let your SOP tell us about your professional achievements and how it contributes, how the program can help you improve or that or something. They have specific SOP prompts that you should follow. And these people will tell you that do it this way. This is how we want students to respond to this question. They are telling you that when you see such things, this is how we want you to respond to them. They are telling you all this. So you getting the opportunity to attend such webinars sets you above the 99 other applicants, because you are there, you have heard it from them, and that is what they are expecting you to do. The last thing, which was my greatest of all, application fee waiver code. So for me, during my time, all the webinars I attended, the schools waive me the apply fee. Either they'll send it to you right after the webinar through the email you joined with, or on the info session right there. That's one of the benefits of joining the info session, apart from the ones that I have mentioned. But please don't let that be your main focus of joining, because I know most people join info session and they are waiting. Oh, please, is that application fee waiver? When are you sharing it? Please listen, because what they are telling you is what is going to contribute to you being admitted. Listen to all that. If you go and the school does not share it, it's no big deal. At least you have been able to get yourself some valuable information that could go a great way to helping you start right with your application process, with your essay requirement and everything. And you can even make your decision. You can decide whether to continue with the apply or not after you have joined the webinar. You've heard it all out. Okay, so that is one strategy that I want you to greatly watch out when you go to the school pages. Kindly look for the events and join, because some webinars can be on application tips. You should be curious that, hey, the school is saying application tips. What are they coming to say about the application? What are they expecting me as a prospective applicant to do? You should be curious to register such webinars or info sessions and join and learn for yourself what the school is interested in from you, and guarantee yourself for admission. So that's what I have for today on info sessions, and I hope that it will go a long way to help in your application process. And please don't forget to kindly leave any comments with questions, and above all, subscribe and share with friends and family who will be interested in this contest. Thank you. In this content. Thank you.